To enable dark mode in your email, follow these steps based on your email provider. For Gmail, open Gmail on your desktop or mobile device. On desktop, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the theme section and choose the dark theme. On mobile, go to Gmail app settings, tap on theme, and select dark. For Outlook, open Outlook and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select View All Outlook settings. In the General section, click Appearance and choose Dark for the TIs.